Hello, guys. You're welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Yeah, we have some gist for you today, and one of them is Ike's video where we saw him say one of his happiest moments was leaving the relationship with Messi. Now we can remember BBnaija season 4, the power couples from there, Messi and Ike. We knew how they got together in the house, how they stood together to fight through um, other housemates, and how they were the Bonnie and Clyde in the house and all. And then soon after they got out of the house, they started a show called Messi and Ike Show, and it was going well until suddenly we didn't hear again from them. So now I'm very surprised at how Ike would say his happiest moments were or is when he left the relationship with Messi. Now, was he correct? We really can't tell, because if he is right, then what happened to all they at least they had their good moments, they had their rough moments as well, which is normal in every relationship. But will he just be right to say he's happy? Like in his entire life, he has never been happy or as happy as leaving Messi. Wow. I think he exaggerated that, but that was what he said. Now, here's the video where he made the statement.
Been at mansion parties back to back. Man. Sightseeing. Next, I think, is the helicopter tour. So it's like, man, we've been on it. We've really been on it since we've been out here in Cape Town. Man, relationship advice. You know, I'm somehow particular about the relationship advice. You know, I don't like to advise anyone on something I'm not an expert on. You know, I had a couple girlfriends, but my best advice right now is, guys, just make sure you're happy. You know, a relationship is a lot of work, a lot of sacrifice, and don't jump into it until you're ready. Trust me, a real relationship only works when you have the right partner. My happiest moment in life was when I got out of my last relationship. Yep. Freedom is so.
Now, guys, what do you think about that? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, we have something else for you guys. Today is Simi's birthday. Yeah, and I'm a big fan of Simi. I've loved Simi right from when Simi has been Simi. I've loved her so much. I love her Omo Charlie album, Ayo album, and Simi at 30 and the rest. I've loved her song. I'm a big fan of Simi, and I'm happy that she turned 33 today. And she turned 33 as a wife, as a mom, and as a very big singer, like worldwide. We're very happy. We're celebrating with her. And today on her Instagram page, we saw how friends and family came together to, they point her during champagne and all. Yeah, she's a really nice person. And also Adekunle Gold, her husband, also gave her gifts and all. Also posted on his Instagram page, calling her the best wife ever and writing so many sweet words as she turns 33 today.
Somebody's mother. You are so
Oh yeah, go pee. Finish
There's
it.
no alcohol
It's
inside.
grape. It's grape juice.
Happy birthday!
If it's not
Baby, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, man.
That's a good thing.
Motherfucking birthday! One time for the birthday, come on. You say what? You say what? You say.
To the what? What does he say?
The best wife ever.
It doesn't get better than you.
Right,
What did
Mama.
you say? What
Today
did you say
is
that
the
day?
one day.
If I didn't marry you, like,
Could it be? Like normal.
could it be quick or friend?
Okay.
Hold on to this for now.
For now, bro.
Just excited now. You just came. You are breastfeeding.
You are breastfeeding.
So that's why everything
Like
already
tomorrow.
Sims, no, that's not why.
Abi, what do you want to hear?
What else? I don't know.
That's not why. Just
Look at her there searching for clothes to wear.
Enjoy the moment.
Okay, I want to look sexy. Money a body young.
And say, Nick, that those clothes that is not used to show back.
That one I do to show back.
Wait, it's not done.
Come on, sit, baby.
So, guys, what do you think? Send your wishes to Simi, and if you're also part of the Simi army, like I am, I want to see ya all in the comment section. Let's throw a party for Simi in our comment section. Let's keep it blazing. Thank you, and stay tuned to more entertainment gist and gossips coming your way. And don't forget to do what? Click on the bell icon so that you always receive notifications when a new story drops. Thank you. Stay safe.